Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon, my friends. And today I'm going to make a Russian salad. It's very easy. Need only few ingredients for making a Russian salad, and that's so easy. In no time you can make this, and don't need much effort in there. So before I start, I'll tell you my ingredient what I'm gonna use for that. Ingredient I'm using in this is sweet corn is already boiled, peas is already boiled, crush black pepper, crush cumin seed, salt, coriander, and red kidney beans, mayonnaise, is carrots which already made a cube and boiled, potatoes, bean boiled as well, and green onion, and I'm gonna use olive oil in there. So we start gonna mix it together. Yeah. I'll put green onion in there. So I'm gonna put a potato, carrots in there. I'm gonna put peas. Okay. And I'm gonna put sweet corn. I'm gonna put a little bit red kidney beans. They don't put in a Russian salad, but I think we're gonna try this. And don't scared to experiment in the food. If you don't experiment, then you're not gonna know. So I'm gonna put some coriander in there. Okay. There's some salt. And use some black pepper. I don't know why people are scared to experiment on food. I mean, if you don't experiment, you're not gonna know. So, and now I'm gonna put this mayonnaise in there. Yeah. Okay. Now I'm gonna mix this. Okay. I put a bit more mayonnaise in there. Now you can see, and I'm gonna put a little bit olive oil. It's very simple, but its taste is good. And in the hot weather, you don't feel like eating with any food. So the salad is the best in hot weather, in summertime. Yeah. And you can eat with a garlic bread. Yeah. I think you need more mayonnaise in there. So I'm gonna put some more mayonnaise. I put a little bit more mayonnaise. Okay, so okay friend, and I'm gonna take this in a dish with garlic bread. Okay, I'm gonna put some more coriander on there. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. It's simple, very easy. I can eat this all day. Okay. Alright friends, so I'm gonna take this in a dish up. Okay guys, this is my Russian salad with garlic toast I made. So it's very easy and it won't take any time, and but it's nice and delicious as well. What do you think about it? So give me feedback. But it's nice, delicious. It's very simple. Thank you. So friend, I hope you like this recipe. You will get this different recipe every week, and if you like it, please subscribe my channel and please press the bell button. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe. If you have any question, just type the question in comment, so I will be happy to give you answer. I hope you like this video. Here is this ingredient for this recipe. Thank you.